Hello everyone, it's December 13th, 2025. I didn't get a chance to make the video earlier in the month. Nevertheless, here's an update for everyone for Bitcoin and the overall crypto markets. So this is the monthly chart for BTC. You'll notice in my prior video I was saying that we are bullish overall, which is still the case. And I mentioned that price might come down in the month of November and find an area of support to bounce from, which has occurred. I was expecting price to come down to this area and bounce. You may think that this candle right here, the monthly candle, looks really bearish. But right now, that isn't the case. As of right now, things are looking like it has bottomed out. And this particular month that is currently ongoing in December 2025, prices are expected to go higher. But let's look at the charts in more details to see what's going on exactly on a smaller time frame. So let's go look at the weekly chart. This was the monthly chart. You see on the weekly chart, BTC went up, came into this area here, made a lower high, took out this level, came to this area. And if you see from this bottom to this top here, the 50% area has been hit of this range, and even the 75% region has been hit. So this is an area which I was expecting will hold as an area of support. So far, it is holding as support. Now, is it possible for BTCs to come down here and take the 74,500? Sweep this low? Yes, there is a possibility that it could happen, but we wouldn't know that until we see some more price action. So let me show you the daily chart, for example, for BTC. If BTC closes above this area right here, 107,500, if it does this move here, continues to go up and closes here, let's say somewhere here, then uses this area as support and then continues higher, then we know the bottom is in. If this does not occur, then there is a chance where price could come down. Let's say it goes like this. Let's say it goes like this. Sweeps this area, gets rejected. There is a possibility that it goes back down, wants to sweep this low and then go higher, back to all-time highs after that. Okay, so that's one possibility. The other possibility is what I showed you a little bit ago, that it could also come up to here. This is an area where it's at right now. Okay, this is an area where it could get rejected and come back down to sweep these lows, maybe even this low. Or if it uses this area, let's say it comes up here and uses this area as support, it can come up here and break this high. Once price on the daily gets above this high, then we are back to bullish mode again. It will go to all-time highs at that point, okay, which is up here. All-time highs 126K. But if BTC does not do this move and reverses either in this area or touches this area somewhere here and reverses uh, like this, for example, if it goes up like this, rejects from here, or if it comes up like this and rejects somewhere here, or if it goes up like this, sweeps this here, does not close above, meaning, you know, it does not close above here, the candle just sweeps this like this. If it sweeps like this and closes below, that's bearish. Of course, it'll come back down to take all of these levels out at that point. Those are the various scenarios for BTC. So keep an eye on at those levels that I just highlighted here. And you can also catch intraday trades using this analysis and these various levels here. But as of now, what I see as of now, I am overall neutral, meaning, price could go higher or it could go lower. But there are plenty of trades to be had within, if you're a day trader or if you're a scalper. There are plenty of trades to be had intraday basis or trades that you can, make money over. Let's say you're catching trades that last 2 to 3 days. You can catch those also. There are plenty of opportunities for those type of trades here. So that's the update for BTC. Quickly, again, levels to watch. This low right here. Let me identify this right here. The level down here around 80K, 80,500. The next level below is 74,600. These are the two levels to watch below. The levels to watch above are 94,400, 96, 97,000, and then this region right here between 99,200 and 7,500. These are the critical zones to keep an eye on to see reactions of price, how it behaves, and then accordingly you can take a trade. But overall, I'm bullish on BTC because I do not think that this is the start of a bear market. A lot of people think the bear market is in play, and that I don't think that is the case. And the reason for that, I'll show you. In alts have been even hit all-time highs. Only Bitcoin and maybe a couple of assets like BNB has hit it. Not many alts have hit all-time highs. So that's why I'm saying that the bull run is not over. It's going to continue into 2026. There's plenty of bullish news out there. The Fed is expected to cut interest rates into next year. There's quantitative easing uh, going to take place, meaning they will increase the money supply. Anytime that occurs with interest rates being cut, that money goes into risk-on assets such as BTC, Ethereum, and other alts, uh, and as well as the stock market should rise with it. All right, so that's my analysis for BTC. Let's look at Ethereum real quick as well. So Ethereum, let me show you the monthly chart for ETH. Interestingly, Ethereum, as I was saying, did not close above this all-time high of 49, 48, 4,900 roughly. See, it wicked it, which makes, if you look at this range right here, this local range from this low of 1388 to up here, look at what it did. This was a range that it formed. It came back to the 50% of that range. And guess what was here? Orders. Okay, this is an area where there were orders, smart money or whales, institution, whatever you want to call them, but there were orders up here or down here. It came to this area. Can it hold this area now? So let me show you some levels on ETH. I think ETH has bottomed out already. It is possible that it can come down and take this out one more time and then bounce, but it is pretty close to being bottomed out in my analysis. I do not think ETH has come in here again to take this low out, like that, 1400 low. I think this is where it's trying to form a low right now. So let's look at the weekly chart. Yeah, see this is the zone that I drew from the monthly. Looks very nice area for it to bounce from. Can it sweep this low? Of course it can, but chances are pretty low. Can it sweep this low, which is about 26, 25? There's a possibility it does that. We'll have to see the weekly candle close, which will be on Sunday tomorrow. So if this closes like this, if it closes like this, the way it looks right now, bearish close, meaning it took out the liquidity above and closed like this, chances are very high it will come and sweep this low one more time, or either that or it will come down to at least 3,000 again. Around here somewhere, it will come back down. Okay, so keep an eye on those levels. Let's look at the daily chart as well. Okay, so some of the important levels here for ETH are, let me show you this. Okay, these are some of the important levels for ETH. Right here, this level right here, 36.53. If the daily candle keeps going up like this and closes above here, they'll be really, really bullish. It'll mean like the bottom is in. If it does not do that and the weekly closes bearish and then the daily looks bearish also, that will be the time that you could take a short down to this level or this level minimum. Okay, so the worst case scenario for ETH, it can take these out, this level right here, or this level right here, or this level. Worst case would be it comes and sweeps this level. Okay, so that's the worst case for ETH. Plenty of upside. Bull run will continue into 2026. ETH will not have a 80% drawdown like people are thinking of. Yeah, that's not going to happen. This 4-year cycle that we're used to, like it was in 2017, or I should say 2020, 2018, that I'm not expecting to be the case in 2026. 2026, I'm expecting it to be a bullish move up, uh, due to other circumstances as I described earlier. Okay, so that's what I see overall for BTC and ETH. Let me show you real quick Solana also, and then we'll just close it out. Solana is looking pretty good also. Notice that Solana never even closed above its all-time high. See that? Very similar to ETH. It wicked it and making a lower high. Could Solana come sweep this again? $95, $96 possible, but highly unlikely. Um, Solana is trading in this little range here, and if you look at the daily candle, it could potentially sweep these lows right here, 121. That is a possibility. But if Solana closes above $171, they'll be very bullish. At that point, it's going to go back to all-time highs and beyond. All right. All right, guys. So expect for the bull run to continue in 2026. Expect some choppiness here. as I cover the various levels. Keep an eye on that, and happy trading.